Did you know that the average family of four spends between $560 to $1,300 a month on groceries? That's a lot of money. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the money spent on those everyday items that fill your pantry and fridge. It's a surprising figure, isn't it? But these are the startling facts about grocery shopping expenses that we often overlook. It's easy to dismiss those frequent trips to the supermarket as insignificant, but they quickly add up, making a significant dent in our wallets. And it's not just about the money, it's about the value we get for it. Are we making the most of our hard-earned cash? That's where the importance of budgeting and smart shopping comes into play. But don't worry, there are ways to slash that grocery bill. Keep watching to find out how. The first step to saving money on groceries starts before you even step foot in the store. It all begins with planning, meal planning to be precise. By planning your meals for the week, you can tailor your shopping list to exactly what you need, reducing the chance of overbuying or impulse purchases. It's like going on a treasure hunt, but you already have the map. Now let's talk about the shopping list. It's more than just a piece of paper or a note on your phone. It's your compass in the supermarket labyrinth. It keeps you focused, on track, and shields you from the siren call of unnecessary items that inflate your grocery bill. And lastly, don't forget to check your pantry and fridge before you go. You might find you already have some items on your list. Reducing redundancy not only saves money, but also prevents food waste. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in saving money. Now that you have your list, it's time to hit the store. But wait, there are a few things to keep in mind. First up, comparing unit prices. You see, it's not always about the sticker price. Often, a larger item might seem more expensive, but when you break it down to the cost per unit, you might be getting a better deal. So take a moment to do the math. It's a smart way to stretch those dollars. Next, let's talk bulk buying. Yes, it requires a larger upfront cost, but when you buy in bulk, you can save money in the long run. It's perfect for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, or canned goods. Just be sure you have enough storage space at home and that you'll actually use what you buy before it expires. Now, on to store brands. We know they might not have the fancy packaging, but don't be fooled by appearances. Store brands often offer the same quality as national brands, but at a fraction of the price. So next time, give that store brand a shot. Your wallet will thank you. And finally, shopping seasonally. Produce that's in season is not only tastier but also cheaper. So rather than reaching for that expensive imported fruit, why not try something local and in season? You'll be surprised at how much you can save, and you might even discover a new favorite. Remember, it's not about sacrificing the things you love. It's about making smarter choices. Comparing unit prices, buying in bulk, opting for store brands, and shopping seasonally can all significantly reduce your grocery bills without compromising on quality or taste. These smart shopping strategies can make a big difference in your grocery bill. You should give them a try the next time you're at the store. Who knows? You might just find that you're a smarter shopper than you thought. Who doesn't love a good deal? Let's talk about the power of coupons and sales. Once upon a time, coupons were just little pieces of paper you'd clip out of the Sunday newspaper. But today, they've taken on a whole new digital life. Websites, apps, and even store loyalty cards offer countless ways to save. The key is to know where to find them and how to use them effectively. Make a habit of checking online coupon sites, grocery store websites, and apps like Coupon Sherpa or Retail Me Not. These platforms are a goldmine of savings, offering discounts on everything from fresh produce to pantry staples. But remember, the goal is not to buy more, but to spend less on what you already need. That brings us to sales. Who can resist the allure of a buy one get one free offer or a hefty discount on your favorite snack? But here's the thing. Sales are designed to make you spend, not save. They lure you in with the promise of savings, only for you to walk out with a cart full of items you never intended to buy. So, how do you take advantage of sales without falling into the trap? Here are a few strategies. First, stick to your list. If it's not on there, you probably don't need it. Second, think long term. If a non-perishable item you frequently use is on sale, stock up. It's a smart way to save over time. Lastly, beware of the up to trick. Up to 50% off can mean anything from 1% to 50%. Don't let the big numbers fool you. Remember, a deal is only a deal if you are going to buy the item anyway. Anything else is just a clever marketing ploy designed to get you to part ways with your hard-earned money. Coupons and sales can be your best friends when it comes to saving money on groceries, but only if used wisely. So, let's recap on how to save big on your grocery bills. We began our journey with shocking grocery shopping statistics, helping us understand just how much we spend and where we can cut corners. It's a reality check that most of us need, and the first step towards becoming a savvy shopper. Our next stop was the planning stage. Remember, a well-prepared shopper is a money-saving shopper. Make a list, stick to it, and resist the temptation of impulse buys. Plan your meals for the week. Check what you already have, and only buy what you need. It's simple, yet effective. Then, we moved on to smart shopping strategies. Shopping on a full stomach, buying in bulk where it makes sense, and opting for store brands. Over-name brands are just a few ways to keep your grocery bills in check. Also, don't forget to check the unit price. It's the real indicator of whether you're getting a good deal or not. Next, we delved into the power of coupons and sales. They're not just for extreme couponers, you know. Even a few coupons here and there can make a significant dent in your overall grocery bill. Just make sure to use them wisely. Buy items you'll actually use. And don't let a good deal trick you into buying something you don't need. And now here we are. You're ready to take on the grocery store, armed with tips and tricks that will help you save money without sacrificing the quality of your food. Remember, every penny counts when it comes to grocery shopping. So, start implementing these tips today and see the difference in your grocery bills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips. And tell us, what's your favorite way to save money on groceries?